Hi everyone, this is Jess with the Sensible Nutrition Program. Today I'm going to be making a garden pasta salad. This recipe is filled with veggies and lots of fiber to keep you full until your next meal, or it could be served as a side dish. Now, the original recipe calls for whole wheat macaroni, but over the weekend, searching the store aisles, I couldn't find any. So I'm going to be using whole wheat penne instead. It's just the same, only a different shape of pasta. It'll taste just as good though. Let's get started.